So in this video I'll show you guys how to use vanilla gift card Visa inside Roblox. This is really easy to use, but I'll show you guys step by step on how to use it. So first you want to go to Roblox here and click on buy Robux. Once you're here, you can choose any selection you want. So for example, I'm going to choose a $200 one. Alright, once you're here, you can see this payment method called credit card. It says Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or Amex. And there's other payment methods you can use too. But for the sake of this video, we're obviously using vanilla gift card. So click on Visa, and you can add a star code there. And once you're here, it's gonna make you enter your info. Once you enter your info, now you can use your vanilla Visa gift card and just enter your correct info. For example, I'm from United States, so I'm gonna just click United States and just enter your credit card info. Once you're done, just click pay, and now you have Robux.